Well,
yeah, I'm like, why
Max got us unloaded. Might wash tonight.
Oh, you're welcome.
Our 2025 shirts for this year are up on the website. We have sand and black t-shirts, black long sleeve t-shirts, sand colored hoodies, blue youth shirts, and gray ladies Razorback tank tops. You can find them at DarynKleinRacing.com, or we have them in the trailer. You can pick them up at the track near you that we are coming to.
And he'll do it.
That's no good. That's no bueno.
That's kind of the talk we need to have with him.
Either way, I mean,
He's going to want to make it.
Max got here,
To start a fight.
got it all unloaded. Plan was just to unload tonight, but Max got out here early and got it unloaded.
it's supposed to rain, so Jason's gonna watch it. Go to the park and play for a little bit and then come out.
It's supposed to rain the rest of the week, so I'm going to try and get it washed tonight. She's looking ragged. Tagged.
You guys want to go to the park for a little bit?
Not so much the left side. Fender,
Yeah, that's fine.
hood, nose,
Sure, okay.
right side.
Pressure washer's probably going to be going off for a while, is what I'm saying.
I guess we'll get started to stripping it down. Well, it's Thursday night. We're out here trying to get that car done to go to Highland Saturday night for $2,500 to win. If they race, supposed to rain tomorrow and good chance of rain on Saturday. Me, Doug, and Daryn are out here getting her done.
run the entire Friday show, and then after that, we will run tonight's feature. So once again, tonight's feature has been postponed.
It's a long time to wait to run your feature.
Up 1 hour tomorrow. So the drivers' meeting will be.
Now she's back together and about ready to go.
We will start
If we race Saturday night, if not, she's ready to go for Brownstown Tuesday. That's opening night of Summer Nationals. 5,000 to win. We will be there. Ogre come out last night, worked on that, got that all fixed up. Evidently the nuts were just loose. I don't know how they come loose with lock nuts, but they did. That one's been checked. We got to check the other side, add a little rear end fluid. Never ending cycle. Nicholas will be out tomorrow to do tires, get tires ready. Should be ready to go in the box. Darren's doing some cleaning. Had oil all over the floor from the truck where the rear end seal was leaking. Water pump went bad. Doug's changing that now. We got to put a new vent on the roof. Check the drive flanges on this side. We did get a new jack this week, which was much needed. That's nice. We were rained out today. It's Saturday. It rained most of the night last night. It's supposed to rain some more today. Hudson's having a big time.
It works pretty good too.
Got more pressure.
It seems to.
That's where the water pump is. Yeah, it definitely looks a lot better in there than it did.
Yeah, it was nasty. And the wires all kind of strode everywhere, you know, laying on everything.
That's the old one that shot crabs.
I couldn't use the strainer.
No.
It wouldn't fit with it.
Darren channeling his inner janitor. Got the rugs all vacuumed. Shop rugs, trailer rugs. Rugs are back in the trailer. Water pumps changed, button up and nice. It's never ending with these things. I don't understand how them can come loose with lock nuts on them. Unless they weren't put on.
I don't think they were ever tightened.
Yeah.
Whoever serviced it or did something to it. It had to be, Jason. There's no way.
Yeah. So the lock nuts on the drive flange were loose on that one, is why it was leaking oil. We gotta check the other side. Darren checked the front one when Ogre was messing with this one. Still gotta put new airbags on this. They're here, and we just gotta find time to do it. Is Ava getting you? Is Ava getting you? She get you? Well, I got where the cars go clean. Had to abort the rest of the mission. It started raining. Tried to get everything in before it got soaked. Floor's clean, rugs are clean. Don't know that we're going to tackle the vent today.